everyone, my name is Pradul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing another night routine. It was about time that I made a routine video. Even though I did make like a quarantine night routine earlier this year, I do have my studio now and I've been visiting quite frequently. It was supposed to be kind of like where I come here like 3-4 days a week. But since the last month actually I've been staying here. It's only because I've gotten so busy with so many videos and Simba launches and just stuff like that. But I do plan on like going back home and getting back into the old routine. But while I've been living here, I have formed a very nice routine. I really enjoy it. I also enjoy my morning routine so much here. But today I'm talking about the night routines. I'm going to stick to that. So my night routine has been very relaxing. I feel like I finally found kind of a balance between my work life and personal life. Pehle I would literally work till like 12-1 at night and I just did not know where to stop. So this routine is a little bit more relaxed and very homey, I would say. You'll see what I mean. Let's just get started with today's video. So I do live alone, so I have to do all the cleaning, and this house is pretty big, so there's no way I can clean the whole house in one go. So I'll take sections every single day. Like one day I'll clean my bedroom, one day I'll clean the living room, and so on and so forth. So on this particular day when I was filming, I needed to clean my kitchen desperately. Like it was a mess. Okay, so here's a before of my kitchen. Please do not judge me. It's been a long day and it's been getting messier. So I'm gonna clean it right now. It's usually not this bad. I do have a few vessels piled up by the end of the day because I don't like wash my vessels once I'm done with a meal because I'm filming or doing something or the other. So towards the end of the day, I do have to wash my vessels. Probably you're wondering, why don't you have a house help? I would in like normal circumstances, but I just don't feel comfortable calling someone at home right now. So I'm doing everything, cleaning and partly cooking. We'll come to that in a bit. But yeah, I just spend about 30 to 40 minutes cleaning. And while I'm cleaning, I'm of course watching some sort of YouTube video. On this particular day, I was watching Anam's new video. I actually quite enjoy cleaning. It's very therapeutic. Like when I start cleaning, I do feel very lazy and lethargic. But once I'm like into it, I really enjoy it. Okay, so here is the after. Everything's super clean. I washed all the vessels and some more right here. By the way, I'm using these absorbent mats from IKEA. I'll make sure to link them in the description box below because they're really nice. So once I'm done with the cleaning, I move on to cleaning myself. I take a shower at night. For as long as I remember, I have been taking showers at night. Like even if I take a shower in the morning, I'll always take a shower at night. I just love the feeling of going to bed clean. And I also wash my hair at night. I know a lot of people don't recommend that, but that's just how I do it. If you guys have watched any of my previous hair care routines, you would know that I try a bunch of different shampoos and I always have a few shampoos that I go in and out of. So currently I'm using the Wow's green tea and tea tree anti-dandruff shampoo, and I'm also using the conditioner and the hair mask that comes along. By the way, this also comes with a really cool head brush, like a head massaging brush. I really enjoy using this head brush. I don't think I can go back to washing my hair the traditional way anymore. But coming back to the products, all of these products have green tea, tea tree oil, rose bay and sweet almond oil in them. My scalp felt very clean and refreshed, and definitely there was a lot less dandruff. So I would definitely give this range a thumbs up. Now all Wow products are free from parabens, mineral oils and silicones. They're also manufactured in India. If you're interested in any of these products, you can buy them from the Wow app, or they're also available on Nykaa, Amazon and Flipkart. I'm going to make sure to leave the products that I'm using in the description box below. So once I'm done with my nighttime shower, I'll step out, change into a pair of PJs and moisturize my body, after which I will have some dinner. At this point, I'm starving, so I just need to stuff my face with some dinner. So very recently, my mom has been sending me dabba. In the morning only, she'll send me my lunch and my dinner sath mein. So I'll warm it up and eat it. So this is what today's dinner looks like. It's like a salad. It's very light because I had a very heavy snack before this. So this salad has corn, asparagus, paneer, mozzarella cheese, lots of cheese actually. So I'm just having that. It was very, very yummy and very filling actually. It looks like a very small portion, but it filled me up really well. Now after I'm done with dinner, I'll take my vitamins. So these vitamins are prescribed to me by our family doctor, which is why I'm taking them. So this basically just has some vitamin C, zinc, and not really sure or kya hai, but vitamins that I take every single day. And of course, while I'm doing all of this, I'm usually watching something on TV. Actually, recently I'm being forced into watching Marvel movies. So that's what I'm watching right now. Currently, I'm Civil War pe hu main. Captain America Civil War. Yeah, that's the movie that I'm watching right now. So I'll do that for like an hour and a half, depends on like what time I start my night routine. So I'll continue watching the movie. However, I'm not just gonna like lounge around. I actually move on to some work, which is some Simba packing. We still don't have people to help us with the packaging, so we have to do it. So even though there isn't a backlog, for example, we're done with all the orders, we'll still pack a few more just in case, like for the next day. So currently I'm packing the 5-year journals, which by the way, I'm really good at packing these 5-year journals. I'm very quick and very efficient, if I may say so myself. So I've been packing those, and then I have to sign my thank you cards. So I just do that for again an hour and a half. Once I'm done with that, I'll move on to my bedroom. So I've very recently started sleeping in my bedroom. Uske pehle I would just sleep here in the hall. But finally my bedroom is done up. I'm going to make sure to leave the link of the room tour in the description box below. So do check it out. Very recently we started playing this game called Among Us. I'm sure you guys already know that everyone is playing that game. And we've also been low-key obsessed with that game. So I play that game, and along with which I'll have like a small little treat, like a dessert almost. I'm in love with this cereal called Cinnamon Toast Crunch, so I'll have a bowl of that while playing Among Us for like half an hour, sometimes even an hour. So after an hour of gaming, it's time to like unwind and go to sleep, or at least try to go to sleep. So I do a few things in order to like relax my body and just make it clear to my mind and my body that it's time to go to sleep. So I'll start off by doing my skincare and hair care in bed. So I'll keep my hair serum and my face serum on my nightstand so that I don't get lazy and skip the step. If it's right there next to me, I will do those. So if you guys have been following me for a while, you guys know that I like to do this process which is called gradual oiling. So I'll oil the ends of my hair and braid them before I go to bed every single night. So that's what I'm doing right here. And then I always have a cup of hot water or either kadha right before I go to bed. This step I will not skip whatsoever. So I'll quickly make some kadha for myself and hop back into my bed, and I'll fill out my 5-year journal. That is usually one of the last things that I do before sleeping. So I'll fill out the question for the day. This is my product, like this is from Simba Lifestyle. I'm very, very proud of this product. I'm gonna make sure to leave a link of this in the description box below in case you guys are interested. But once I'm done with that, I'll play some sort of YouTube video which is like a story time almost, and I'll let that play and I'll doze off to sleep like while listening to that. And that's basically about it. I usually go to bed say anywhere between 12:30 to 1, not more than that, because I've been waking up early every single morning, at least since the past 1.5 weeks approximately. I wake up at 8:30 every morning, which is great for me. It's great for someone who used to wake up at 12. So it's a great start. Maybe thoda aur jaldi karenge eventually, but right now 8:30 is good for me. Let me know if you want me to do a morning routine, because I love my morning routine, as I said in the intro. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching the night routine, and everything that I've mentioned in today's video is going to be linked in the description box below. Don't forget to go subscribe and click on the little bell to get notified every single time I post a new video. Follow me on my Instagram and follow Simba Lifestyle. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.